Good morning, everybody. We're here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. To the inside.
Colorful.
Very. This was the one-sided, right?
Yes.
Look at there.
Okay. I always like these one-sided designs. They're so simple, but I just think they look so pretty.
Oh yeah. They're one of my favorites. Ready to go already?
I think so.
Got it all debanded. Let's see. Oh, look at that. They do leave a good little bit of white. Look at there. Well, really knows that comes out of the washing machine, but it looks pretty good so far. Look at that. Oh yeah, picture perfect.
I like it. Color didn't get all brown in the middle.
No.
I like it.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful color. Wonderful pattern. And just enough white. That's exactly what she wanted. Look at that. You got the good blues, the greens, everything. All the way to the middle where it did not turn brown, which is all we wanted. She wanted this shirt to be, you know, a good nice spiral, but with a lot of white left. So I would say that pretty much hit the mark, and she was quite happy with it as well. Considering she made it for herself, I guess that's all that really matters then, right? Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.